Hi, grade ones. For writing today, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a picture together and then write about it. So remember, when we were in class, we drew, it was called a rhyming monster, and we hung them up in our lockers. And then on video, we did a rhyming clown. Now we're doing a rhyming alien. So I'm going to read you a poem, and that's going to give you directions on what to draw. Okay, so you either need a whiteboard if you don't mind erasing your alien after, or a piece of paper if you want to keep your drawing. Okay, so you'll need to get that, and then I'm going to read each line. I'll give you a couple seconds to draw it, but each time it tells you, like, draw its head, draw its feet. If you need more time, just pause the video until you have drawn that part and then push play again to hear the next rhyme. Okay? So get yourself a paper and pencil or a whiteboard and a marker, and we are going to get started with the first line. And it says, when drawing an alien, it is said, always start by making his head. You can make his head any shape you want. Just make an alien head. Okay. So just his head. You don't need to draw eyes and stuff like that yet. Then it says, don't give him hair on top of his head. Give him a shiny round helmet that's red. You don't have to make it red right now. You could just draw it. And if you're on a whiteboard and you can't make it red, that's fine. Okay, the next line says, look at his eyes so scary and mean. Since he's from Mars, they must be green. So scary and mean eyes. If you want to make kind of mean eyes, you make like eyebrows that are lines like this. And it says make them green. Okay, the next line says, just look at his nose. Can you imagine that? It has 3 holes and it's really flat. So we have 2 nose holes. Your alien is going to have 3 nose holes and a very flat nose. Okay, I'm moving on to his mouth. His mouth is crooked with lots of teeth, jagged on top and flat underneath. So big mouth, spikes on top, and then flat teeth on the bottom. Okay, the next one says, not only is his neck double jointed, but look at his ears, they're pointed. So we learned 2 things in that rhyme. Double jointed, I don't have anything that's double jointed, but it means it can bend in funny ways. So his neck should be wobbly, and then he has pointy ears, it says. Okay, so now it says, I'm sure he has a body like you and me, but an alien's spacesuit is all you see. So for this part, grade ones, I want you to draw, it might take you some time, so you're going to probably have to pause. Draw a spacesuit, but don't draw the arms and don't draw the legs yet. So just draw like what you would picture, like maybe an astronaut wearing or something like that. And then no arms, no legs yet. Okay. Now we move on to the arms and legs. So he has tentacles for arms that are squiggly. He is very wiggly. So like kind of octopusy arms. Very last line. Now this is really neat. He has 2 legs but 3 feet. So your alien needs 2 legs and 3 feet. If you need more time, pause, because I am moving on. So I will show you my alien. I added some detail. So I drew Earth and some stars, and I gave him a pet dog. And then for today, I just want you to write 1 or 2 sentences about your alien. So I named my alien Simon. I said, Simon the alien was angry until he got a pet dog. Then he was happy. So that's what I wrote about. Drew a little dog in a space helmet beside Simon the alien. And that is writing for today. I hope you enjoyed the poem and writing. I'm looking forward to seeing what your alien looks like.